Hello, in this short video I will explain how to use certainty-based marking or CBM in your course. So let's start by viewing an example of a quiz where CBM has been applied. Here is a quiz with 3 multiple choice questions. Of course, you can create a quiz using any type of question, short answer, true, false, etc. So what happens with CBM is that students, along with their answer to a question, are asked to define how certain they are. Are they quite certain with their answer? So-so? Or unsure? The idea is to encourage student reflection and deeper thought in their own level of knowledge. Now let's see how to enable CBM in a quiz, and then we will see some results. Once you have created your quiz, you can apply CBM in the quiz settings. Click Edit Settings under Quiz Administration. Scroll down to Question Behavior and expand, and choose an option with CBM. In this case, I chose Deferred Feedback with CBM. With this option, students will have to answer all the quiz questions, submit the entire quiz before anything is graded, or they get any feedback. And that's all you have to do. Don't forget, you can use Moodle's context-sensitive help to find out more about the various options. Save the changes. Let's see some results now. As you can see, there are 4 attempts in this quiz. So here we are. With either deferred feedback or immediate feedback with CBM, students indicate how sure they are about the questions. Therefore, grading is adjusted by the choice of certainty. As you can see from the results table, the first student answered all the questions correctly. However, their certainty varied from uncertain, very certain, to so-so. Therefore, marks have been adjusted and their total grade is 200. The third student got all the questions right and they were pretty certain for their responses. Therefore, their grade is 300. The second student answered the first question incorrectly. The same student was very certain for this response. That's why you see minus 200. The same student received 0 marks, which is no penalty for the second response to the second question, while they received 100 for the third question, as they were quite certain and they were right. Their total is minus 100. The last student answered all 3 questions incorrectly and they were pretty certain for their response. Therefore, they received minus 600. You can also see the detailed breakdown by certainty for each individual student. Simply click on their grade. Just to remind you, all CBM marks we have looked so far can be accessed from the quiz result, quiz administration, results, grades. Don't be confused with the grades you see. Of course, they will exceed 100, as they also include CBM marking. As strange as it might seem in the first instance, it is in this particular example, the maximum grade is 300, while the minimum grade is minus 600 out of 100. If you wish to see the grades allocated to each student without CBM, then go to the course administration, grades, and here you can see the grades allocated in the scale of 100. The student with CBM grade minus 100 was given 0, while the students with 200 and 300 in CBM were given the grade of 100. The student with minus 600 also received 0%. Hope that helped, and if you want to find out more about CBM, do not hesitate to get in touch